Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salwa Nadia Dewi. My student number is 0920013911. And today I will present it about active debate learning method. So let's get started. Active debate learning model is one of the learning methods to improve student achievement through activities such as expressing opinion. This model teaches students appreciate difference of opinion. The active debate learning method is a technique or method used to convey subject matter by emphasizing the activeness of students in the learning process and daring to communicate well. The learning method aims to develop student courage in expressing opinion and refuting others politely with clear and precise argument. Jadi di metode pembelajaran debat aktif ini, yaitu teknik atau metode yang digunakan untuk menyampaikan materi pembelajaran dengan menekankan keaktifan siswa dalam proses pembelajaran dan memberanikan siswa untuk berkomunikasi dengan baik. Metode pembelajaran ini bertujuan untuk mengembangkan keberanian siswa dalam mengemukakan pendapat dan menyanggah pendapat orang lain secara santun dengan argumentasi yang jelas dan tepat. Next, I will explain about objective of active debate. Learning objective active debate on student are improve student in communicating well, train student in expressing opinion accompanied by reason, encourage students to be active in learning, learn to respect difference of opinion. And next slide, I will explain about active debate learning step. Number 1. The teacher divides the student into two groups of students who are pro and contra. Number 2. The teacher gives the task of reading the material to be debated to the two groups. Number 3. After the material has been read, each group then appoints one member of the pro group to express their opinion and the opposing group of students responds. Number 4. Then after being responded by the counter group, do the same thing so that all students get turn to express their opinion. And number 5 is the ideas of each student are written on the whiteboard until the ideas in learning are conveyed. And next, ask the teacher if there are ideas or concepts that have not been conveyed. Number 7, based on the data from the discussion, give the task of making conclusion. And number 8, the assessment is taken from the student activities during the debate. And next, I will explain about advantage of active debate learning method. Number 1. Encouraging students to be active in learning and improve their ability to communicate well. And number 2. Enhancing learning analytical research and note-taking skill. Number 3. Developing effectiveness, speech composition, and delivery. And number 4. Encouraging teamwork, increase learning confidence, poise, and self-esteem. And number 5. Improve critical thinking skill, where students are trying to talk about current controversial topic. Enhancing student vocabulary. When students want to argue, they need to be able to master various words to express their opinion. And last, teach students to respect the opinion of others. And I will explain about disadvantage of active debate learning method. Debate learning method as having disadvantage in teacher and student perceive they are. Teacher has difficulties in determining the right topic to be discussed to avoid the misunderstanding of the argument, while the students are challenged to collect the information because of a limited time. It causes them of optimal in finding information. It also found that sometimes ambiguous motion was encountered by students several times. This made it difficult for students to argue on certain theme position while learning through debate. And number 2, it takes a long time because students have to understand the material before doing a debate. And number three, learning is less interesting or monotonous because they are only opinion and do not use media. And the last, sometimes this puts areas between children after arguing because they do not accept their opinion being refuted. That's all my explanation. Is there any question? If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment column or in the WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.